That $50 payment felt harmless until investigators called it evidence. Suddenly, that sandwich comes with legal fees.
In part 3, we discovered you had been enrolled in hospice without knowing it. Nothing brightens a Tuesday like paperwork announcing you are dying while you are standing in the kitchen making coffee. Now, part 4 brings us back to that $50 payment because the recruiter called it easy money. Investigators may call it evidence. Hello, everybody. Toto here, fraud prevention specialist for the Stage AI Plus Foundation. Let's be honest. People do not accept $50 because they dreamed of participating in healthcare fraud. They may need groceries, medication, transportation, or rent money. Recruiters know that. They target financial hardship, loneliness, disability, language barriers, and confusion. Then they wave cash around like $50 just won an Academy Award. They may say, "You are not doing anything wrong. Everybody gets paid. Just sign this form." And the classic, "The government has plenty of money." Yes, and the government also has investigators. That part somehow disappears from the sales presentation. The recruiter may make the arrangement sound harmless. You get a little cash. They get permission to use your information. Nobody notices. Everybody goes home, happy. Except your name may now appear on false attendance sheets, fake transportation records, or claims for care you never received. The provider collects thousands. You collect enough money for groceries and possibly one emotionally complicated rotisserie chicken. Here is the important distinction. If someone used your information without your knowledge, you may be a victim. If you were tricked, pressured, or did not understand what you signed, tell investigators exactly what happened. But if you knowingly accepted money, signed false records, or confirmed services you knew never occurred, you may create legal exposure for yourself. Suddenly, it was only $50 is doing a lot of heavy lifting. Do not panic, destroy messages, invent a story, or call the recruiter for coaching. The person who recruited you is not your attorney. They are the reason you may need one. Save every text, voicemail, payment record, business card, advertisement, and document. Write down who approached you, what they promised, what you received, and what you signed. Do not sign anything else. Do not return money secretly without getting proper advice. If investigators contact you, be truthful. If you believe you could face legal consequences, speak with a qualified attorney or legal aid organization. And if somebody is threatening you, do not confront them alone. Contact law enforcement or someone you trust. Recruiters often target people who need help, then leave those same people holding the paperwork when the scheme collapses. They keep the mansion. You keep the $50 receipt and a nervous stomach. The lesson in part 4 is simple. Financial hardship does not make you foolish. Being manipulated does not make you guilty. But once you recognize the scheme, continuing to participate can make the situation much worse. No grocery card, cash envelope, or free ride is worth renting out your identity. In part 5, we bring everything together and show you how to protect your name, inspect your records, preserve evidence, and report suspicious claims. Follow us and share this warning with someone who could benefit. The Stage AI Plus Foundation makes fraud prevention and safety information easier for older adults and people with disabilities to understand and use. Learn more through the foundation link in our bio. I'm Toto, and remember, if someone offers you $50 for one tiny signature, they are not paying for the ink. They are buying access to your name, and they plan to send somebody else the very large bill.